This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow a garden. First, select an ideal spot for your garden. Look for an area that receives a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, it's crucial to test your soil. This helps you understand its pH and nutrient content, guiding your amendments. Finally, choose plants that thrive in your specific climate and fit the size of your garden bed. This careful planning sets the stage for a successful and bountiful harvest. Once your location is chosen, it's time to prepare the garden bed. Begin by thoroughly clearing the area of any weeds, rocks, or unwanted debris. This ensures a clean slate for your plants. Next, enrich your soil by incorporating organic matter, such as well-rotted compost, to boost fertility and improve drainage. Finally, loosen the soil to a depth of at least 8 to 12 inches, providing ample space for healthy root growth. With your garden bed ready, you can now begin planting. Carefully place your seeds or seedlings at the recommended depth and spacing, ensuring each plant has room to flourish. Immediately after planting, water the area thoroughly. This helps settle the soil around the roots and reduces transplant shock. Aim for a consistent watering schedule, providing approximately 1 inch of water per week, adjusting for rainfall and plant needs. Maintaining your garden is key to its long-term success. Regularly remove any weeds that appear, as they compete with your plants for essential nutrients and water. Fertilize your plants according to their specific needs and the product's instructions to ensure vigorous growth. Also, keep a close eye out for any signs of pests or diseases. Addressing these issues promptly will help protect your plants and ensure a healthy, productive garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.